To use Bill4Time Payroll integration, start by setting up your account and ensuring you have the necessary permissions to access the payroll features. Begin by logging into your Bill4Time account and navigating to the Settings menu, where you will find the payroll integration options. First, you need to connect your payroll provider to Bill4Time. This is typically done by entering your payroll provider's API key or username and password. Once connected, you can configure the payroll settings to match your company's payroll policies. Next, you will need to set up your employees in Bill4Time. This involves adding each employee's details, including their name, email address, and payroll information. You can also assign employees to specific projects and tasks, allowing you to track their time and generate payroll reports. To track employee time, use the time tracking feature in Bill4Time. This allows employees to log their hours worked on specific projects and tasks, which can then be used to generate payroll reports. You can also set up automatic time tracking, which will track employee time based on their activity in Bill4Time. Once you have tracked employee time, you can generate payroll reports. These reports will show the total hours worked by each employee, as well as their corresponding payroll amounts. You can use these reports to process payroll and ensure that employees are paid accurately and on time. Best practices for using Bill4Time payroll integration include regularly reviewing and updating employee information, ensuring accurate time tracking, and using the payroll reports to identify any discrepancies or errors. By following these steps and best practices, you can streamline your payroll process and ensure that your employees are paid accurately and efficiently. It is also important to note that Bill4Time payroll integration is designed to work with a variety of payroll providers, making it easy to integrate with your existing payroll system. This allows you to take advantage of the benefits of Bill4Time's payroll features, while still using your existing payroll provider. Overall, using Bill4Time payroll integration is a straightforward process that can help you streamline your payroll and reduce errors. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can get started with using Bill4Time payroll integration and start enjoying the benefits of automated payroll processing.